So do you know why I'm calling you?
I won?
Yeah, man, you won. You're... Welcome, guys. Today we're calling the winner of FSG number 17, this Hellcat Charger Redeye. First off, hit that subscribe button so that you never miss any of our content. If you love cars, you'll love it.
Smoked salmon, you'll love it.
So this one right here, this is FSG 18. Of course, today we're calling the winner of FSG number 17, this Hellcat Charger Redeye. But you can get entered to win this one. Just go to freedomstreetgarage.com, claim your entries. You can become a member, or you can pick up some of our latest apparel and you're automatically entered to win. Right now it's 10x entries. Every dollar you spend gets you 10 entries towards winning this thing, which is even more. So we're doing this live. We have not contacted the winner yet. With that being said, should we give the winner a call? All right, it's calling.
Hello?
Didn't even ring. Hi, is this Daidreon?
Yes.
Hey, Daidreon, how you doing today?
Good.
Good, good. My name is Alex. I'm calling you from Freedom Street Garage. Have you heard of us?
Yes.
You have? Okay. So do you know what's going on right now?
No.
So you know what we do over at Freedom Street Garage?
Just a little bit.
Okay. Well, today is the day that we're calling the winner of our Hellcat Charger Redeye.
All right.
So do you know why I'm calling you?
I won?
Yeah, man, you won. You're the winner. So you entered to win, and your name was picked at random. And today we're calling you to let you know that you won this Hellcat Redeye.
Oh my God.
Yep. Oh, it also comes with 10 grand. I forgot to mention that. Sorry.
All right.
So how do you feel?
I don't know. I'm just excited. I don't know what to say right now.
So what did you do to get entered?
I just was paying stuff. I bought a shirt and everything.
What shirt did you buy?
The Redeye shirt.
Okay, the Redeye shirt. Okay, nice, nice. Very cool. Where are you at?
Well, I live in Texas. Well, I live in Dallas.
Oh, you live in Dallas? Okay.
Yes.
And what were you up to today?
Nothing really.
Okay.
Just got off work. Just got off work.
Just got off work? Okay, nice. So what do you do for work?
I work at UPS.
Oh, okay, nice, nice. Are you like a driver or?
Yeah, I'm a driver.
Oh, okay, nice. So do you like driving?
Yes.
You like driving? Okay, perfect, perfect. Well, like I said, man, you're the winner of this Charger Redeye plus 10 grand. So what happens is, you'll fill out the paperwork and basically we'll fly you out to San Diego so you can meet the team and meet your car and drive it around San Diego. We'll put you up here in a hotel and you can stay out here and drive the car and enjoy it. And then, you'll fly back and we'll ship the car to you, or you can drive it home if you want.
Oh yeah, I would like to drive it home.
You would like to drive it home? Okay, well, perfect then. So yeah, if you're cool with coming out to San Diego, we'll work out a time for you to fly you out and you'll come meet your car, your new Hellcat.
Okay.
Okay, cool, man. Well, yeah, of course. Did you have any questions for me?
When do y'all gonna send me the paperwork? How do it work?
We'll connect you with our third-party sweepstakes services, and after this is over, we'll send you'll get an email right after, and you'll just have to fill it out and confirm and everything, and we'll set up some time to have you out here.
Okay.
Cool, man. Well, congratulations. Yeah, of course. Thank you. Congratulations. How are you feeling right now?
I'm super happy.
Yeah? Nice. What's your dream car?
A Redeye.
Perfect. All right. Well, I think you're going to love this one. Sweet, man. Well, we'll be in touch with you shortly after this, and congratulations, bro.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
All right, man. We'll be in touch.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Wow. The phone didn't even ring.
I don't think he believed it.
I think he did. I think he did. He knew who we were. He entered to win the Hellcat, and that's the car that he won, which is awesome because he seems to be a big Hellcat fan. When I was showing him the car just now, he was just like about to pass out. So that was pretty cool. Yeah, so we just called the winner of this car. He answered on which was basically the first ring. It didn't even ring. Like I called him and next thing you know, I was talking to him. But if you want to get the same phone call that we just gave to Daidreon, you got to get entered to win this thing because we're giving it away. And right now, if you get entered to win, you're going to get 10x entries. So get entered to win, go to freedomstreetgarage.com, claim your entries, and you could be our next winner. Getting a phone call just like this, letting you know that you're taking your dream car home.